Students, today now we will start the next topic of the chapter polynomials and topic is remainder theorem and factor theorem. Firstly, we take the remainder theorem. What is remainder theorem? If a polynomial p of x is divided by x plus a, then the remainder is p of minus a, where a is the real number. Suppose p of x is given and we have to divide this p of x by x plus 2 suppose. Then the remainder is, for finding the value, put x opposite of the constant term of the divisor. Here plus 2 is given, therefore put x is equal to minus 2. Then p of minus 2, the value of p of minus 2 is the remainder of the given polynomial. If it is minus 2, x minus 2, then put x is equal to plus 2. Then the value of p of 2 is the remainder of the given polynomial. For example, divide x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 1 by x plus 1 and find the remainder. That means this polynomial x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 1 is divided by x plus 1 and find the remainder. For that, we consider this polynomial as p of x because variable is x. Therefore, p of x is equal to x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 1 and it is divided by x plus 1, that is divisor is x plus 1. Therefore, put the opposite of plus 1 in the polynomial. Opposite of plus 1 is minus 1. Therefore, put x is equal to minus 1 in p of x. We get p of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 cube minus 2 into minus 1 square plus into bracket minus 1 plus 1. That means instead of x we put minus 1. Cube of minus 1 is minus 1. Minus 2 into square of minus 1 is 1. Plus into minus 1 plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. Minus 1 minus 2 ones are minus 2. Minus 1 and minus 2 minus 3. And this value minus 3 is the remainder of that the given polynomial. That is remainder is minus 3. Second is factor theorem. What is factor theorem? P of x is a polynomial and a is any real number, then and if a is equal to 0, then x is then x minus a is a factor of p of x. If p of x is a polynomial and a is any number, then if on putting the value of x is equal to a, if a is equal to 0, then we can say that x minus a is a factor of polynomial. Its converse is if x minus a is a factor of the polynomial p of x, then p of a is equal to 0. For example, suppose x minus 2 is factor of p of x, then we can say that the value of p of 2 is 0. X minus 2 is the factor of p of x, that means after putting the value of x is equal to opposite of minus 2, that is plus 2, if we put x is equal to 2 in the p of x, then we get p of 2 is equal to 0. And that then we can say that x minus 2 is a factor of p of x. For example, we have to give one, check whether x minus 2 is a factor of the polynomial x cube minus x square minus 4 by using factor theorem. That means the polynomial p of x is given x cube minus x square minus 4. We take p of x because the variable is x. If the variable is y, then we take p of y. Now p of x is given x cube minus x square minus 4 and we have to state whether x minus 2 is a factor or not. Then divisor is x minus 2, therefore we put x is equal to opposite of minus 2, that is plus 2. Therefore put x is equal to 2 in p of x. Then we get p of 2 is equal to 2 cube minus 2 square minus 4. Cube of 2 is 8. Cube of 2 is square of 2 is 4 minus 4. 8 minus 4, 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4, 0. That means the value of p of 2 is 0. That means x minus 2 is a factor of the polynomial x cube minus x square minus 4. Next, we will start now practice set 3.5. First example is given, find the values of the polynomial 2x minus 2x cube plus 7 using the given values of for x. For x is equal to 3, for x is equal to minus 1 and for x is equal to 0. Now we consider let given polynomial as p of x, because variable is x in given example, 2x minus 2x plus 7. Now for x is equal to 3, we put p of x is equal to 3. Instead of x we put 3. 2 into 3 minus 2 into cube of 3 plus 7. 2 3s are 6 minus 2 into cube of 3 is 27 plus 7. 6 minus 27 to the 54 plus 7, that is 6 plus 7 13, 13 minus 54. Now 54 minus 13, 4 minus 3 1, 5 minus 1, sorry 4 minus 3 1 and 5 minus 1 4, and sign of the biggest number, that is minus 14 1, and that is the value of the given polynomial for x is equal to 3. For x is equal to 3, we put x is equal to 3, 2 into x, that is 3, plus minus 2 into x cube, that is cube of 3 plus 7. 2 3s are 6 minus 2 into cube of 3 27 plus 7. 6 minus 27 to the 54 plus 7. 6 plus 7 13 minus 54, and 13 minus 54, that is 41, and sign of the biggest number is minus 41. Now second, for x is equal to minus 1. Instead of x we put minus 1 in the given polynomial, that is p of minus 1 is equal to 2 into minus 1 minus 2x cube means minus 1 cube plus 7. Now 2 into minus 1 minus 2, minus 2 into cube of minus 1 is minus 1 plus 7, minus 2, this minus minus gets plus, and 2 ones are 2 plus 7. This plus 2 minus 2 gets cancelled, and that is the value of the given polynomial for x is equal to minus 1 is plus 7. Then third is given, we have to find for x is equal to 0. That means instead of x we put 0. P of 0 is equal to 2x means 2 into 0 minus 2 into x cube means 0 cube plus 7. 2 zeros are 0 minus 2 into 0 cube means 0 plus 7. 0 minus 2 into 0 0 plus 7, and P of 0 is equal to, we get 7. 0 minus 7, that is 0 minus 0, that is 0. 0 plus 7, that is 7, and this is the values of the given polynomial for the given values of x. Next example is, for each of the following polynomial find p of 1, p of 0 and p of minus 2. Now first is p of x is equal to x cube. P of x is equal to x cube. Now find p of 1. For that put x is equal to 1, that is p of 1 is equal to cube of 1. Therefore p of 1 is equal to cube of 1 is 1, and this is the value of p of x for x is equal to 1. Now put x is equal to 0 to find the value of p of 0. Put x is equal to 0, that means p of 0 is equal to cube of 0, and cube of 0 is 0, and therefore p of 0 is 0. Now for finding p of x, p of minus 2, put x is equal to minus 2 in p of x. Instead of x put minus 2. P of minus 2 is equal to cube of x means cube of minus 2, and cube of minus 2, that is minus 8, and that is the value of the given polynomial for x is equal to minus 2. Examples are most easiest examples for this chapter. Now second, p of y is given y square minus 2y plus 5. Again for finding the p of 1, put y is equal to 1. Instead of y put 1. P of y means p of 1. 1 square minus 2 into 1 plus 5. Square of 1 is 1. Minus 2 ones are 2 plus 5. That means 1 minus 2 is minus 1 plus 5, and 1 minus 5, that is 4, and p of 1 is equal to 4. Then find p of 0. To find p of 0, put y is equal to 0 in p of y. That is p of 0 is equal to y square means 0 square minus 2 into y, that is 2 into 0 plus 5. We solve this. Square of 0 is 0, minus 2 zeros are 0, plus 5, and then on solving this we get P of 0 is equal to 5. Then P of minus 2, to find the value of P of minus 2, put y is equal to minus 2. Therefore, instead of y we put minus 2, that is y square means minus 2 square, minus 2 into y, that is minus 2, plus 5. Square of minus 2 is 4, minus minus gets plus, 2 2s are 4, plus 5, and 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 5 13, and this is the value of the given polynomial for y is equal to minus 2. Then third is given P of x is equal to x raised to 4 minus 2x square minus x. Now for finding the value of P of 1, put x is equal to 1. Instead of x we put 1. X raised to 4, that is 1 raised to 4, minus 2 into 1 square minus 1. 1 raised to 4 means 1, minus 2 into square of 1 is 1 minus 1, 1 minus 2 minus 1, plus minus 1 gets cancelled, that means P of 1 is equal to minus 2, and this is the value of polynomial for x is equal to 1. Now for finding P of 0, put x is equal to 0 in P of x. We get P of 0 is equal to 0 raised to 4 minus 2 into 0 square minus 0. 0 raised to 4 is 0, minus 2 into 0 square means 0, and minus 0, and that means P of 0 is equal to 0. Then to find the value of P of minus 2, put x is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2 in P of x. Then we get P of minus 2 is equal to x raised to 4, that is minus 2 raised to 4, minus 2x square means minus 2 square minus minus 2, minus 2 raised to 4, that is the fourth power of 2, that is 16, and fourth power is given, therefore sign is positive. Minus 2 into square of minus 2 is 4, minus minus gets plus 2, 16 minus 2 4s are 8 plus 2, 16 minus 8, 8 plus 2, that is 10, and that is the value of P of minus 2 for the given polynomial. Next example is, if the value of polynomial m cube plus 2m plus a is 12 for m is equal to 2, then find the value of a. Polynomial is given P of m. Let we take P of m because variable in the polynomial is m, therefore we take P of m is equal to m cube plus 2m plus a, and value of this polynomial for m is equal to 2, that is m is P of 2 is given, the value is given 12, and which is given, therefore put m is equal to 2. P of m is P of 2 is equal to m cube means 2 cube plus 2m, that is 2 into 2 plus a. P of m is given, P of 2 is given 12 is equal to cube of 2 is 8 plus 2 2s are 4 plus a. 12 is equal to 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus a, plus 12 gets converted to minus 12 minus 12, that is 0, and that is the value of a, which is 0. Let P of m we consider m cube plus 2m plus a, therefore value of polynomial for m is equal to 2 is given 12, therefore P of 2 is given 12, put m is equal to 2, P of 2 is equal to cube of 2 plus 2 into 2 plus a, P of 2 is given 12 is equal to cube of 2 is 8 plus 2 2s are 4 plus a, 8 plus 4 12 plus a, plus 12 gets converted to minus 12 minus 12, that is 0, and that is the value of a, that is 0. Next example is, for the polynomial mx square minus 2x plus 3, if P of minus 1 is 7, find m. Now we have to given the polynomial mx square minus 2x plus 3. Variable is x, therefore we consider it as P of x. Let P of x is equal to mx square minus 2x plus 3. Now we have to give one p of minus 1 is equal to 7, which is given. Therefore, put x is equal to minus 1. P of minus 1 is given, that means the value of the polynomial for x is equal to minus 1 is 7. Therefore, instead of x we put minus 1. That means we get p of minus 1 is equal to m into minus 1 square minus 2 into minus 1 plus 3. M into square of minus 1 is 1. Minus minus gets plus. 2 ones are 2 plus 3. M ones are m plus 2 plus 3 5. But p of minus 1 is given 7. Now to find the value of m, put plus 5 gets converted to minus. 7 minus 5. M is equal to 7 minus 5, that is 2. That is the value of m. P of x is equal to given mx square minus 2x plus 3. P of minus 1 is given 7. Therefore, instead of x we put minus 1. P of minus 1 is equal to m into minus 1 square plus minus 2 into x, that is minus 1 plus 3. P of minus 1 is equal to m into square of minus 1, that is plus 1. Minus minus gets plus. 2 ones are 2 plus 3. P of minus 1 is given 7 is equal to m ones are m plus 2 plus 3 5. To find the value of m, plus 5 gets converted to minus, that is m is equal to 7 minus 5, that is 2. Next example is divide the first polynomial by the second polynomial and find the remainder using factor theorem. That is, the first polynomial consider as p of x here, x square minus 7x plus 9. Second polynomial is the divisor, which is given x plus 1. Now therefore we put opposite of this constant term of the divisor plus 1, which is minus 1, and therefore we put x is equal to minus 1 in p of x. That means p of minus 1 is equal to x square means minus 1 square minus 7x, that is minus 1 plus 9 as it is. Now p of minus 1 is equal to square of minus 1 is 1, minus minus gets plus 7, 7 ones are 7 plus 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 7 17, and therefore p of minus 1 is 17. That means the remainder is 17. First polynomial we consider as p of x, that is x square minus 7x plus 9. Divisor is x plus 1. Therefore, instead of x we put opposite of this plus 1 as minus 1 in p of x. That is, p of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 square minus 7 into minus 1 plus 9. Square of minus 1 is 1. Minus minus gets plus. 7 ones are 7 plus 9. Therefore, p of minus 1 is equal to 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 7 17, which is the remainder. Now second example in this is given 2x cube minus 2x square plus ax minus a. Therefore we consider it as p of x because the variable is x. Now divisor is x minus a. Therefore opposite of minus a is a. Therefore put x is equal to a in p of x. That is, p of x means p of a. 2x cube means 2a cube minus 2x square means 2a square plus a into x means a minus a. Now 2a cube minus 2a square, this a into a plus a square minus a. Now 2a cube, this minus 2a square plus 1a square, that is minus a square and minus a as it is, and that is the remainder, and therefore remainder of the given polynomial is 2a cube minus a square minus a. Third example is given. First polynomial is 54m cube plus 18m square minus 27m plus 5, and therefore variable is m. Therefore we consider it as p of m. Now divisor is m minus 3. Therefore put opposite of minus 3 in p of m. Instead of m we put 3 because opposite of minus 3. P of 3 is equal to 54 into 3 cube plus 18 into 3 square minus 27 into 3 plus 5. Now 54 into cube of 3, that is 27, plus 18 plus 18 into square of 3 is 9 minus 27 3s are 81 plus 5. Now we take the product of 54 into 27. 7 4s are 28, remaining 2. 7 5s are 35 plus 2 37. Now 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, that is 8. 7 plus 8 15, 3 plus 1 4, 1 as it is, 1458 plus 18 9s are 162 minus 81 plus 5. Now 1458, subtraction of this 162 minus 81, that is 81 plus 5. Now addition of this 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 8 14, remaining 1, that is 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 5 14, remaining 1, 14 plus 1 15, and that is the value of P of 3, and therefore remainder is 1544. Again we take this, P of m is equal to 54m cube plus 18m square minus 27m plus 5. Now divisor is given m minus 3, therefore put m is equal to 3 in P of m. Instead of m we put 3. P of 3 is equal to 54 into cube of 3 plus 18 into square of 3 minus 27m, that is 27 into 3 plus 5. 54 into cube of 3, that is 27 plus 18 into square of 3 is 9 minus 27 3 is 81 plus 5. 54 into 27, that is 1458 plus 18 9 is 162 minus 81 plus 5. Subtraction of both is 81, and addition of these 3 is 1544, and therefore P of 3 is equal to 1544. Therefore remainder is 1544. Next example is, if the polynomial y cube minus 5y square plus 7y plus m is divided by x plus 2, then remainder is 50. Find the value of m. Given polynomial is given y cube minus 5y square plus 7y plus m, therefore we consider it as P of y. Why we take y? Because the variable is y. Now divisor is given x plus 2, and therefore put x is equal to minus 2 in variable divided by y plus 2 is given, therefore put y is equal to minus 2 in P of y. Therefore P of minus 2 is equal to cube of minus 2 minus 5 y square means minus 2 square plus 7 into y, that is minus 2 plus m. P of minus 2 is equal to cube of minus 2 is minus 8 minus 5 into square of minus 2 is 4 plus into minus 7 to the 14 plus m. P of minus 2 is equal to minus 8 minus 25 for the minus 14 plus m. That means P of minus 2 is equal to addition of this 14 plus 8 22, 22 plus 2 20 42, sign is same minus 42m, 42 plus m, but remainder is given, that is P of minus 2 is given 50. Therefore instead of P of minus 2 we put 50 is equal to minus 42 plus m. To find the value of m, minus 42 plus gets converted to plus, m is equal to 50 plus 42 means 92. Given polynomial is P of y, which is given y cube minus 5y square plus 7y plus m. Divisor is y plus 2, therefore we put opposite of plus 2 minus 2 as y is equal to minus 2 in P of y. That means P of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 cube minus 5 into square of minus 2 plus 7 into y, that is minus 2 plus m. P of minus 2 is equal to cube of minus 2 is minus 8 minus 5 into square of minus 2 is plus 4 plus into minus 7 to the 14 plus m. P of minus 2 is equal to minus 8 minus 5 4 are 20 minus 14 plus m. Now P of minus 2 is equal to minus 42 addition of 3, all these three terms minus 42 plus m. Remainder is given 50. Therefore P of minus 2 is equal to 50. Therefore instead of P of minus 2 we put 50 is equal to minus 42 plus m. Minus 42 gets converted to plus, that is 50 plus 42 92. Therefore value of m is 92.